Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're at the Coop Heights. It's the Coop Heights. It's in Houston, Texas, and it's in the Heights area. So let's talk about this really nice apartment. It's very recently built. It's only about a year old or so. It's a beautiful apartment, and it's in a really growing area of the Heights. So let's talk about the Heights, and we'll kind of walk around it too. But the Heights is a very popular, I would say it's the #1 most popular area for recent grads to go to in the Houston area. So everybody is pretty much graduating and then coming here to the Heights. That happened about maybe 3 or 4 years ago, and it really hasn't stopped. It's accelerating. So if you're leaving school, graduating from any place and you're coming to Houston, you really need to check out the Heights. That's where a lot of your new buddies and friends are going to be. So, okay, let's talk about this area. So I'm giving you kind of what's around here. The Heights is known for really cool restaurants, trendy bars, just cool kind of non-chain kind of things. We're gonna have a lot of fun stuff here. You can see this road is Shepherd. This is a really cool road because Shepherd goes north and south. It actually starts even in the lower Heights, but there's restaurants and bars and really cool stuff right all along Shepherd and all throughout the Heights. There's also a lot of custom breweries, beer places, so you can get you can get some great beer satisfied too if you want to have that custom beer feel, custom beer taste. You've got that too, and you've got just a really developing, really cool area. This is the Greater Heights, and then there's a Lower Heights. The Lower Heights is more south. That's closer to downtown, and that's also popular as well. Okay, now let's go look at the parking situation. It's right over there, and we'll go walk to the garage. If you have any questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a virtual or live tour, send me a text. Just use the number below.